Hello all, today we make prawn dumplings. Two common flavors in China, fresh Chinese leeks but in the morning. Let's cut them up. The other flavor needs zucchini. If you make dumplings just for a single meal, pick the flavor that you like. By the way, what flavor do you usually have? Stir-fried eggs, I use 8 in a total. The zucchini has to wait a lot. Remove the water before placing the eggs, otherwise the filling would be destroyed. I add mu'er in the leek filling. It's a kind of black mushroom in China. It's optional, but my that picky husband loves its texture. After all of this, season the fillings with salt and soy sauce. The store said the wrappers are made of vegetable juice, spinach, purple potatoes, and carrots. I like their colors. Honestly, it's my first time wrapping dumplings into the leaf shape. Looks just okay. My mom makes 5 different shapes of dumplings. What shape do you guys make?